Are you trying to choose between Linux Mint and Kubuntu? Let's break it down and see which one might be the best fit for you. In this video, we'll compare Linux, Mint, and Kubuntu. Both are popular Linux distributions. They offer a great user experience, but they have some key differences. First, let's talk about what they both do. Linux, Mint, and Kubuntu are designed to be user friendly. They both aim to provide a smooth experience for new users and experienced ones alike. You can do everything from browsing the web to programming on either platform. Now, let's look at Linux Mint. It is known for its simplicity and ease of use. Mint comes with a clean interface and a lot of pre installed software. It's perfect for users who want a hassle free experience right out of the box. The Cinnamon desktop is popular for its traditional layout, making it easy for newcomers. On the other hand, we have Kubuntu. This version of Ubuntu uses the KDE Plasma desktop. It offers a more customizable experience. Users who enjoy tweaking their desktop will appreciate the options available in Kubuntu. It's visually appealing and has a modern look. Now, what sets them apart? The main difference is the desktop environment. Linux Mint focuses on a straightforward experience, while Kubuntu is all about customization and aesthetics. When it comes to features, Mint has its own software manager, which is user friendly. Kubuntu provides access to the Ubuntu Software Center, giving you a wide range of applications. In terms of pricing, both distributions are free. You can download and use them without spending a dime. So, which one should you choose? If you want something simple and easy to use, go for Linux Mint. If you love customizing your desktop and want a sleek interface, Kubuntu is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.